Hey y'all, this is a 2010 Ford Fusion and it needs an angle sensor. So I'm going to teach you real quick how to change that out. First, you're going to come under here and remove 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. Now you want to take like a flathead or a pry bar and pop this open. Alright, now that this is open, here go your angle sensor. There. Take your flathead, push this part in, push in up here, and try to pull it out. So here we go, we got it, yay! Alright, now, oh shoot, I actually broke this. Okay, here we go, our old angle sensor. We're gonna put the new one in, and it's the same process. Okay, now do it all in reverse. Put the new one in. That bad boy just snapped right on in there. Love that for me. Snap it. I want to actually see if that works.